Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your device and the YouTube app so background playback can begin. On mobile, update the app, then sign in so settings sync. If you have YouTube Premium, enable background playback in account settings. That unlocks seamless audio. Once done, check app permissions and battery optimization. Make sure YouTube is allowed to run in background. On desktop, close unnecessary tabs to reduce CPU use. These first steps prevent interruptions and set the stage for the next actions. Now you execute the methods that actually keep YouTube playing. If you have Premium, simply toggle background play and test it. The app will continue when you lock screen. If not, use picture-in-picture or split screen on Android and iOS. Tap the home button or Pi icon to detach the video. On desktop, open YouTube in a tab, then switch to another app. Some browsers keep audio live, or use a browser extension or lightweight audio player to keep the stream active. Finish by confirming background playback is stable and prepare a quick fix plan. Lock your screen or switch apps and listen for continuous audio. If it stops, first toggle Wi-Fi or cellular, then reopen YouTube. Often a quick reconnect solves it. Make sure battery saver and data limits are off. Those commonly kill background tasks. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reinstall the app. This final check ensures reliable background playback and gives you simple steps when things go.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.